This is a spring break STEM camp. It's designed to help our K-12 school partners benefit from this really cool, innovative space that has lots of technology here to provide STEM opportunities for our local elementary students. A lot of kids don't have opportunities to be building, making, playing, doing STEM activities in their classrooms. And so we wanted to do a lot of outreach and offer them a space where they could do those kind of activities. They learn how to build things with the materials that they have. And that's just something that akin to what engineers and inventors do. They use the materials they have to create something that's brand new, to solve a problem that's out there.